Brian, it's 6 p.m. and debris is still blowing across our parking lot. I spoke to several people who saw the damages left behind from today's weather event.
Pretty bad.
Words used to describe the battle with winds outside. With wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour in Cameron County, it was difficult for some to go about their daily routine, especially those working outdoors.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Our signs are blowing away and all the markers are also blowing away. And for us standing right there, you know, it's a little bit difficult too to stand up.
Figure out what's up with that, but you know, the wind, it's kind of making this thing a little bit dangerous.
Emergency Management's coordinator Tom Hushin says those rough winds caused almost 500 power outages throughout the day.
This is just a roller coaster effect that we have during this time of season when we have a lot of cold fronts coming in.
And if you're out driving in these conditions, Hushin says it is very important to keep your eyes on the road and both hands on the wheels, as the wind is strong enough to move your car into a different lane. For now, these residents hope it calms down.
I just gotta bunker down, just wait it out, see if it'll clear up a little bit, but I kind of doubt it.
With strong winds, Hushin says it is very important to not light up any fires today because they can easily spread. Live in Harlingen with complete Valley coverage, Abril Preciado, CBS 4 Valley at 6.